Hello great people, African travel again, and as I promised you on my previous video of Nakuru, which is on the link above, I'll be showing you around the real estate around the town of Nakuru. So Nakuru has one of the fastest growing real estate or property market in Kenya. And that is one of the main reasons Nakuru was regarded as one of the fastest growing towns around the world. Actually, in 2011, Nakuru was considered the fastest growing town in Africa and number 4 in the world. And we'll just start with Milimani. So Milimani is one of the premium real estate in Nakuru, which I believe is where the who's who in Nakuru lives. Then I will take you guys to places like 58, Ngata, Naka, and and I hope you guys will enjoy. Let's fly this machine, this bird, I call it Thai. I couldn't capture the full view of the estate, Milimani, Nakuru, so I'm moving to the other side to see if I can get the better part of it. So we're going to our next destination, which is going to be about around 58 Naka area. So guys from Nakuru, you can help me mention these names. And from my view, this is one of the area that is really growing very fast, going to free area, to pipeline. So this is part of Nakuru that is really growing extensively. And there are so many high-rise building coming up around this area, flats or apartments, whichever you like. So yeah, let's go and see. Thank you.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Last but not least, guys, we're going to areas around Muni and Ngata. So this is on your way to Eldoret or Kisumu. So this is also an area in Nakuru that is developing very fast. I actually had a mixed feeling because if you see these areas, you'll see large-scale wheat plantations. So which can tell you guys these areas used to be farmland and slowly getting to, slowly turning into real estate. And I hope as much as we need people to have nice houses and stuff, we can protect the environment at all cost and, where we get our source of food. So yeah, so let's go and I hope you guys will enjoy. Thank you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.